Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website shortcut icon in home screen on ASUS Rog Phone 7. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Right here find the web page that you want to add as a shortcut. Then click right here in the top right corner of your screen on three dots or this arrow pointing up, depending if there's update for the Chrome available. And now let's click on add to home screen. You'll be able to rename this icon, and let's leave that name as it is. Click on add. You can see the size of the icon right here and select add to home screen. Now let's go back and it should be added somewhere around here. We can click on that icon to instantly open this web page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.